In the last 24 hours, SEI coin has risen above 20 cents, while $Cyber has declined from over $8 to just below $5. The net sentiment on social media for the $SCI has increased over the past 24 hours, rising from plus 8.3% to plus 15.9%. In the past 24 hours, our own agricultural poll indicates that more people are now optimistic about the SEI coin. The net number of persons who want to buy has increased from plus 50% to plus 54.3% in the last few hours, according to the general sentiment. The number of SEI coin queries has increased again, but it is still a significant distance below the number of searches made on the first day. SEI will be supported on the Coinbase platform, but users are cautioned against sending SEI via other networks. Depending on the amount of money in the market, the SEI-USD pair will begin trading shortly. SEI will be labeled experimental when it launches, and some locations may not be able to use it. The SEI airdrop, which began when the public mainnet went live, is a cross-chain event for Web3 users on the largest 2023 blockchains. Users who are on the whitelist must move their assets into SEI. People who use blockchains such as Solana, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, Binance, Smart Chain, and Osmosis on a regular basis are likely qualified to participate. August 15th buy 60 sell 10% and receive 50% back. August 16th. Sell 3.7 by 58, yielding a net 54.3%. Bitmart is giving users a chance to share a $100 prize pool to commemorate the addition of #SEI to its website. Users must follow Bitmart Exchange on Twitter. Repeat a quote with the hashtag Bitmart and tag 3 friends, and sign up using the link provided. 10 winners will each receive $10. Bitro has initiated competitions for trading $SEI and $Cyber. Those who trade $SEI/USD and $Cyber/USD pairs are eligible to share a prize pool of $20,000 US. Traders interested in joining can do so via the Bitro link provided in the price prediction for SEI crypto. A technical analysis: at the moment, the SEI coin price is trading in the bullish zone, indicating that purchasers are driving the asset's overall momentum. The market outlook for the SEI coin is excellent, and the price is likely to rise further. SEI has been purchased excessively, and the relative strength index of SEI coin has moved into the overbought zone in the last 24 hours, confirming this. Until a reversal occurs, the RSI could rise even higher into the overbought zone on the candlestick chart above. The fear and greed indicator indicates that the SEI coin is receiving a great deal of market support. The FNG bars have risen in the avarice zone, indicating that the market is becoming more optimistic about the SEI coin. The greatest use of SEI coin is to purchase moving average convergence. Divergence is a type of technical indicator. Since the MACD line is above the warning line and the number of SEI coin transactions has increased, this is an indication that prices will rise. How much will SEI cost in the future? Is SEI a viable investment? SEI is a Layer 1 blockchain designed to facilitate the sharing and trading of digital assets. Not only tokens, but also non-fundable tokens, in-game assets, and even social characteristics can be traded. Many prominent Web3 companies, such as Uniswap and Axie Infinity, are essentially exchanges. This demonstrates the significance of exchanges in blockchains. The exchange trilemma states that platforms cannot be decentralized, scalable, and good at using capital at the same time. SEI wants to solve this problem by giving exchange apps a way to grow without sacrificing their decentralized nature. SEI's design is built around trading, making it the best choice for any application involving markets. SEI could have been built as a Layer 2 on Ethereum, but the limitations of Layer 2 solutions led to its decision to operate as a standalone Layer 1 by focusing on trading. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two examples of distributed system-capable open-source blockchains. This eliminates the need for centralized control and increases the security of the system. Using the twin-turbo consensus method, validator nodes are essential for maintaining the security of the blockchain. These validators verify the accuracy of transactions and blocks and can collect awards. Physical separation is an additional objective of the statement. Despite the fact that fewer nodes could make the network quicker, the Atlantic 2 test network demonstrated that it could rapidly complete H blocks even without centralization. The primary network operates as a global network with no singular control point. The decentralized, geographically dispersed design makes the system more resistant to disruptions and prevents any one entity from amassing too much power, but it also necessitates a robust infrastructure and a solid agreement, which reduces costs. Twin Turbo Consensus aids in saying, Ecology's position ecosystem is a collection of diverse apps, businesses, and organizations that collaborate to enhance the state. Blockchain's $120 million claim Planet Fund may be utilized by those who YSH to assist the planet. The environment consists of numerous sectors. The use of blockchain's data defy the interoperability of gaming infrastructure institutions. Services provided by Metaverse NFTs, socially sound tokens, exceptional validators, and wallets initiatives for Everland is a constantly changing safe space location. Agoric environmental solutions at the forefront. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations.